Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss a triumph of surgery. This is from class 10 CBSE English. A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. James Herriot was an English vet surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916. Herriot was his pen name. James Herriot was a vet surgeon. He had many great experiences of curing pet dogs and cats. He has given a very interesting and touching expression of his experiences. In this lesson, he has given the description of a dog's disease. Mrs. Pumphrey's dog, Tricky, was seriously ill. James Herriot treated the dog without medicine or surgery. The theme of the story. The story, A Triumph of Surgery, revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. The dog was hugely fat. His eyes were blood red and rheumy. Mrs. Pumphrey gave her malt, cod liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks. Still, Tricky had no energy. The doctor advised her to cut down on sweet things. Tricky left eating and kept vomiting. He was to be hospitalized. The doctor gave Tricky nothing to eat for the first 2 days except water. On the third day, there were signs of improvement. He started taking food properly. The doctor didn't give him any medical treatment. Tricky used to run around and play with the other dogs cheerfully. Soon, he recovered completely. Mrs. Pumphrey continued inquiring about Tricky on phone. When she came to collect the dog, tears were shining in her eyes. She called this magical recovery a triumph of surgery. We'll see the summary. Tricky was a small dog. His mistress Pumphrey pampered him very much. She overfed him. She gave him food rich with fats. Tricky never refused food any time. He was always greedy for food. He liked ice cream cakes, and biscuits very much. Mrs. Pumphrey gave him cod liver oil and Horlicks. She gave him wine to drink. This all made Tricky like a bloated sausage. He became very lazy. He became uninterested in things. He kept lying all day on the carpet. He had some bouts of vomiting. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that he was seriously ill. She called Mr. James Herriot, who was a vet surgeon. Mr. Herriot expected that to happen. He knew that Tricky was suffering because of overeating. He had already made his plans. He took a firm line. He said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. This suggestion made Mrs. Pumphrey almost swooned, swooned. She thought that Tricky couldn't live even a single day without seeing his mistress. But Mr. Herriot wrapped him in a blanket, took him out of the house, and put him in his car. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house was aroused. The maids were putting Tricky's things in the car. Everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery. When Herriot reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him. They sniffed Tricky and showed no interest in him. Till two days, Herriot didn't give him anything to eat. He gave him a lot of water to drink. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. He gave him no medicine. After 2 days, Tricky had started taking interest in his surrounding. It mixed up with other dogs. It enjoyed being rolled over. He became a member of the gang. At home, he had almost no exercise, but at the surgery, He had a lot of exercises and fun. Controlled diet and activities made him active. Mrs. Pumphrey remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him the doctor told her that he was better and was convulsing, improving. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery. So she sent daily 2 dozen fresh round eggs, wine, and brandy for him, so that he might recover soon. But the doctor didn't give those things to him because he really didn't need this type of diet. The doctor and his partner enjoyed these eggs, wine, and brandy. After a fortnight, Mrs. Pumphrey came to collect Tricky. She was tense and worried. She didn't hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pumphrey's arm. She was surprised to see all this. She said that it was a victory of surgery. Now I'm going to give you the synopsis. So from this lesson we can say this: the doctor worried, right? Initially when you read the entire lesson, we come to know that doctor worried, and James Herriot advises Mrs. Pumphrey what advice he gave, that control of food, and Tricky falls ill, and followed that Tricky at hospital and rapid progress. A grateful Mrs. Pumphrey. And now I'm going to give you main points of the story. Dr. Herriot was really worried to see the dog Tricky. He was very fat. His eyes were red and rheumy. Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of Tricky, had been giving him malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks every night. Dr. Herriot found that the only fault of Tricky was his greed of food. The doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down his food rightly and give him exercise daily. Within a few days, the doctor received a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. Tricky was not eating anything and was vomiting again and again. He lay down panting and didn't go for a walk. Dr. Herriot suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky must be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The poor lady almost fainted, but at last Tricky was taken to the hospital. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around Dr. Herriot, and Tricky looked silently at them, lying motionless on the carpet. For 2 days, Dr. Herriot kept an eye on Tricky and gave him no food but plenty of water. Next day, the doctor was pleased to see Tricky jostling his way to his food bowl. No medical treatment was given to Tricky. Tricky's progress was rapid, and he started running above the dogs, joining in their friendly barkings. Dr. Herriot informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was out of danger and was recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pumphrey was excited to hear the news and started bringing fresh eggs to build his strength. Even wine and brandy were given to improve Tricky's constitution. One day, Dr. Herriot phoned Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky had recovered and she could take him home. Within 2 weeks, Tricky had been transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled animal. When he saw his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he leapt and reached to her lap. Mrs. Pumphrey thanked Dr. Herriot. Her eyes were wet and lips trembled. She called Tricky's recovery a triumph of surgery. That's it. Thank you.